dog?
Valerie, my little bow wow wow. Your doggy boggy is here.
Dog!
Aren't you surprised to see me?
Yes, how did you find us?
I can smell a city bitch a mile away.
Now that's not nice to accuse a woman of smelling.
And yet your female scent drives my dog like James Wild. And drives me to you. Face it, to me, you all smell like bitch dogs in heat.
But you were so nice at the bar.
We're all nice when the state's heavy heel of oppression is pushing our face into the ground. And we've got no choice but to conform to some arbitrary behavior that goes totally against our nature. Much like you and your girlfriend.